right, the time has come. We've been working for months on transferring everything from the old channel to the new channel, and we're down to these last 3 videos that are going to be deleted, but everything else is gone. So time to delete. First of all, thank you for all of the hard work that you did making sure that all the videos were on the new channel, which is very exciting.
You're welcome.
All right, now let's figure out how to delete this channel. So I am in YouTube Studio right now. So I'm guessing we need to go to customization maybe, or settings.
Try going to settings.
Let's do settings,
And
channel.
it might be in advanced settings.
Try advanced settings.
Remove.
No, that's remove YouTube
Oh,
content.
or
Manage
manage
YouTube
YouTube account.
account. So that's going to bring us to youtube.com/account. And we go to,
It could be in view advanced settings again, maybe in the
yeah,
little blue link.
yeah, let's try that. Delete
Delete
channel.
channel.
Okay. Oh, snap. Here it is. The time has come. And this is mainly because I need that handle. I want my handle back. And even though I
Yep.
changed the handle on the old channel, it did not allow it to be released so that I could use it on the new channel. So, Vin, are you ready?
I'm excited.
I'm hitting delete channel. Let's see what happens. All right, it makes me log in and into the Rutgers service because it is an account under Rutgers. Let's see what happens here. My options are I want to hide my channel or I want to permanently delete my channel. So I am going to say I want to permanently delete my channel.
Oh, it says delete my content. Is that the same thing?
Let's
It,
see. Hide or delete content. I think this is in addition to
oh,
the
okay.
channel. Let's see. So it's letting me know what exactly is going to be deleted. My 5 existing videos, 38 playlists, 322 subscriptions to other channels, the subscribers, the comments that I made, my replies and thumbs up. Right. So everything connected to this. YouTube gift settings and my search and watch history. Any paid subscriptions. All right. So I guess first let me just go back to make sure we didn't miss something. Delete your Google service. Download your data. YouTube, Google Authenticator. Let's take it from the top. I'm going to go here, manage YouTube, and it was view advanced settings, delete channel. You're about to hide or delete. Please choose one of the options below. So yeah, this is the right one. I'm accepting, and then I'm going to click delete my content. Sheesh, I suddenly got a stomach ache. This will permanently delete all your YouTube content, including your videos, playlists, likes, blah, 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 and watch. This cannot be started. Please confirm by typing in your email address. Yep, so nothing will be recoverable. Delete my content. Your content is being deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. Since we already went in and removed so many of the videos, I think that'll probably be pretty quick. But let's see.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't take more than 6 minutes because I have a meeting in 6 minutes.
This might just be a like a static page. I think it's being deleted. You can close it, and then if you hit refresh on your channel, eventually it'll be gone.
Let's see. All right, close. Let's see what happens if I hit refresh while it's processing. All right, still here.
You know what we could do? We could go onto the new channel and try to find this one.
All right, give it a shot. See what happens. Go to the new channel. Actually, I could do it. I'll bring up my other new channel. So let's just go to blank youtube.com page. Welcome to the new channel, and we'll search for.
Yep,
Is it gone or you see it?
it's gone. I think it might show up if you scroll down, but oh no, it doesn't. Yeah, it's just gone.
Okay. Okay, so now the only thing showing up is my new one. And the last step of this that we want is to claim my handle for the new channel. So let's go to, I think that was also under customization. Handle. Tatiana teaches. It still says it's not available.
Yeah, it still might take a second before it because we just deleted it like a couple minutes ago. It's still deleting any data associated with YouTube.
Okay, so we'll try again tomorrow. I'll give it a day. I'll probably try
Mhm.
again tonight. Who am I kidding? But I'll
Yeah.
see. I'll keep trying and seeing. So that's it. Let's see what happens when I refresh on the old page. Oops, you don't have permission to view this page. And that's because it's gone. Okay. All right, we did it.
Yeah.
Virtual high five. Thank you so much, Vin. It's
Of
gone.
course.
That's
Yeah.
it. That's it. All of that. But it's okay because
It's a new slate.
new slate starting over, and the reason being that I didn't realize this when I started the old channel, it being under a Google Workspace for Education account brought some limitations in things such as the analytics, and I didn't. It seemed like there just were these other restrictions, and I wanted to be completely removed from that, just a fully independent, standalone, regular YouTube channel. And in order for me to be able to claim my handle, the Tatiana Teaches handle, I have to delete the old channel because it wasn't releasing the handle, even though I changed it on the old channel. So that was super frustrating too.
Yeah.
So, Vin, if we had to do this all over again, any insight? Hopefully, I'll never have to delete a YouTube channel again.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
if anybody sees this and is in the process of deleting a YouTube channel, what would you say next steps are?
Your first step is make a checklist of the content that you want to be moved on.
Oh, we lost your audio.
Okay.
And you're
Okay,
back.
so make a checklist of the content that you want transferred. Don't waste your time with content that you know you're not going to need. It's going to just it's going to take more time to upload. It's going to take more time to like find the tags and whatever else you want to do with it. And then more than that, it's going to take up space on your hard drive and you can't find all the content that you want. So
Yeah.
just make sure that
An
you keep that
external hard
checklist.
drive would be good too for the process. Because I know what we
Yeah,
did is making you a manager on my old YouTube channel, and then so you would be able to download the videos directly. But
right.
then, you have to have holding space. And we went first, we did the video section, then we did the short section, then we did the live section, and we decided not to transfer anything from the community post section. But
Yeah, definitely an external hard drive would be super helpful. If I had one, I think it would have made my job like maybe 30% faster, which is a lot considering the amount of time that we spent moving all the channels
yeah.
over or all the videos over.
Yeah, so hard drive makes the transferring process much easier. And then what we did too, when we transferred something to the new channel, it wasn't deleted off the old channel until we confirmed that it was there together in a meeting, and then confirm, then we deleted it. So we know for sure, okay, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. So that's the way that we approached it. And I really appreciate your time and all your help with it, Vin. It was really good.
Yeah, of course. It felt like we hit a really good groove, especially towards the end of December.
So
It feels good. It's all done.
new day, new channel. Here we go, and excited to see where it takes us. So thanks again, Vin.
Of course, yeah.